If you've been searching for a camera that brings the perfect blend of portability, performance, and creativity, you're in the right place. Introducing the Canon EOS M3, a compact mirrorless camera that's designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle, whether you're a professional on the go or just diving into the world of photography. Let's talk about the real-world performance of the Canon EOS M3. Starting with its compact size, this camera is perfect for those who don't want to lug around heavy equipment. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and fits snugly in your hand or bag without feeling bulky. But don't be fooled by its small size. Inside, it packs some serious power. With a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, this camera captures rich, detailed images that bring your photos to life. Whether you're into street photography, portraits, or landscapes, the Canon EOS M3 has you covered. Now let's talk about ease of use. One thing that stands out with the EOS M3 is its responsive touchscreen interface. You can quickly navigate through settings, change focus points, or swipe through your images, all with just a touch. It's intuitive, which makes it great for beginners. Plus, the 3-inch tilt screen flips up, so it's perfect for vloggers or anyone who wants to frame a selfie or record videos with ease. With full HD 1080p video recording and the ability to attach external microphones, the Canon EOS M3 becomes more than just a photography tool. It's a full-fledged video camera as well. Perfect for capturing moments on the go, creating vlogs, or even shooting short films. Another standout feature is the ability to use Canon's EF and EFS lenses with an optional adapter. This opens up a world of possibilities for those who want to experiment with different lenses, from wide-angle to telephoto, for various shooting styles. Whether you're photographing wildlife from a distance or capturing wide-angle landscapes, the Canon EOS M3 gives you the flexibility you need. Paired with its lightning-fast autofocus system, you'll never miss a moment. One feature I love is the built-in Wi-Fi and NFC. This makes it super easy to share your photos directly from your camera to your phone. No cables, no hassle. Just tap, transfer, and you're ready to upload to social media or send your photos to friends and clients. It's all about convenience. With the Canon EOS M3, you're not just taking great photos, you're sharing them with the world faster than ever. At the end of the day, the Canon EOS M3 delivers exactly what you need: a portable, powerful, and versatile camera that keeps up with your creative ambitions. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this camera has the tools to help you capture stunning photos and videos. So, if you're ready to take your photography to the next level, the Canon EOS M3 is the perfect companion. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more camera reviews, tips, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.